Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily set up Windows XP into an SD card. You will need to have your storage device. If it's a USB flash drive or an SD card, you need to have it empty. So click on your device and make sure to empty it from any data. Next step, make sure that it's at least 8 GB big so that you have enough space for it. Next step, open your browser and type Rufus and hit enter. Click on the first result, Rufus create bootable USB drives. Click on it. Scroll down until you see download, and under download you will find the options. Click on any of these options, that should be fine. Just make sure you are selecting Windows. The download will begin. You will need to be patient, and after a few seconds this tool is being downloaded. Check if you have moved your data out of the device where you want to save it. Go back to Rufus, click on it, or double click on it to open. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this device to make changes. You can go ahead and click yes. At this stage, make sure to select the storage device that you want to use. Make sure boot selection disk or ISO image. Click select. And here, locate your Windows XP ISO file. Click open. And wait for a few seconds. At this stage, partition scheme should be left MBR, BIOS or UEFI CSM, and you can name it Windows XP. Leave file system NTFS, and cluster size should be 4096 bytes. Quick format, create extended label and icon, and click start. Click OK. The data will be erased from your storage device, so make sure that your storage device is empty. The operation will start. It usually takes between 1 to 5 minutes. I will just pause the video here and we'll take back once the process is completed. Completed, you can just go ahead and click close, wait a few seconds, open your PC shortcut, locate your storage device, double click on it, and you should be able to see these files. The setup file, which is here. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.